What's going on, everybody? This is Paul Singh, the market speculator, bullsonwallstreet.com. Here at Pacific Beach, we're going to go over the weekend trading review, the reflections that I do every weekend. We don't get too specific here, so I'm not pulling up any charts, obviously. We're just going to talk about major themes, and again, this is what I do every weekend. Just think about the past trading week. Think about the themes that are coming into play, and it kind of resets me. Instead of when I'm normally doing my scans and everything, which I'm going to be doing later today, I get this tunnel vision, kind of what I'm looking at here. But it's better to reflect sometimes, look at the big picture here. I always come out to some spot where I can clear my head. I'm in Pacific Beach here, San Diego. Just had breakfast over there at Kono's Cafe. It's a legend out here. Just had this Baja Mocha. It's fantastic. So let's get to what we're going to talk about today. Major themes that have changed since 2016, and number one is big tech. Big tech is back after getting crushed post-election. We were seeing a rotation out of big tech into some areas that were expected to do well with Trump winning the election. 2017, things have reset and big tech is back. So the Teslas, the Facebooks, the FANG stocks, the Apples, they are all on fire right now, and they had been crushed before. So looking back at the last week here, we had a trade in Netflix, a trade in GWPH. We've had two trades this year. Both of them have worked out well, and now we're in biotech. So what I normally do going into the week is the good, the bad, and then the key takeaways. And the key takeaways for this week from the good would be, I liked how we aggressively traded these new trends. So Netflix, that's a trade. And if you look at the blog post that I just posted, we talked about how there was really no setup for that trade. If you go on Bulls on Wall Street, you'll see that the post there, it's called How to Trade with No Setup. And basically what we were doing there was looking at the trend and taking a shot where we felt we had a good entry. And we had a nice, I don't have the chart in front of me, but we had a nice little pattern there that didn't necessarily relate to a setup. So we entered there. So I liked how aggressive we were with that. I liked how we were on top of big tech. And I liked the way we aggressively traded biotech. So I think it was Wednesday when Trump made those comments about biotech. Biotech tanked. The triple leverage ETF was down 15 or 20% that day. And the next day we got a reversal. Essentially it ended up being an overreaction. We got in right away. We're still in that position. But I like how we aggressively took that shot there. So that's the good. Now, the bad, I was a little disappointed in myself for while we did get into biotech, we did get into biotech, we got into big tech, we aggressively traded Netflix. Looking back, I would have liked to get more aggressive, and when Facebook, when Google, when they remounted their moving averages, obviously it's hindsight now, but looking back, I would have liked to take one or two positions. So going forward, the key takeaways here are these sectors that we've identified, these trends we've identified, aggressively trade them and don't wait. So going into this week, if I see more of this, I'm going to aggressively take these positions. So that's a big picture weekend review, guys. I'll have more later today when we put out the weekend report. So I'll see you guys.